Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to check out free ebook for Unity game engine, which is about user interface, and it's called UI Toolkit for Advanced Unity Developers, Unity 6 edition. It's a new thing, almost a month or so from published online, and it's official Unity resource, so I will leave the link in description. It's from Unity on Unity resources page, and it will help you how to and explain you how to create scalable and performant UI with UI Toolkit in Unity 6, how to use this component in Unity. And although I think although it's for Unity, I think this could be even like some kind of general reference if you use other game engines, just to see some tricks and tips on and basic ideas on how to tackle some kind of problems and get the idea how things work. Short description says UI Toolkit for Advanced Unity Developers Unity 6 edition is a major new guide that serves both UI artists, designers, and UI programmers. So it's both for code and art if you're one of those. Each section in the ebook has a sharp focus on specific toolsets, making it easy to choose the parts that are most relevant to your role needs. We rewrote our previous 2021 long-term service UI ebook, so it has some kind of changes, obviously, although this 2021 wasn't a long time ago, so that's what I was talking about in some of the previous videos. They changed stuff so much and so often, so at least a good thing is that they rewrote the book from the ground up. So this new edition focuses solely on UI Toolkit features, with new sections covering Unity 6 capabilities like data binding, localization, and custom control. So because they added some stuff in Unity 6 which is new, like data binding, localization, and custom controls and so on, now they are explaining those, which is great, which doesn't mean 2021 ebook is bad or doesn't work and so on, but they added new stuff, so again they explain it. So for UI artists, they cover graphic and font asset preparation, UI builder, layouts in UI builder, visual elements, styling text, and for programmers we cover naming conventions, data binding, localization, custom controls, and optimizing performance. Nice, great stuff, and all you can preview it by scrolling down this book itself on the site, or just pick this button, which is download button, pick where to download it, and then open it later as PDF in software you use. I will leave the link to this YouTube video also, because it covers all of this we were just talking about in some kind of video format. So again, you can just check it. Do you need it at all? If you need it, and so on. But because it's a free resource, I think it's a good idea to download it and save it somewhere on your hard disk drive, so sooner or later when you make some game or prototype in Unity, you will need some kind of user interface. It doesn't matter if it's a small or big game, complex or simple. You need buttons. You need buttons for your game to work, for your player to interact with the game environment. So you cannot avoid it. And also the good thing here is that they use examples from the two official Unity Toolkit samples, like UI Toolkit sample Dragon Crushes and Quiz U. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.